The 2008 National Electrical Code, specifically Article 210.12b, mandates the installation of arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, for all 15 and 20 ampere, 120 volts branch circuits that supply outlets installed in dwelling units. Receptacle type AFCIs are permitted as an alternative to circuit breaker type AFCIs. These receptacle type AFCIs are installed in place of standard receptacles, providing AFCI protection to downstream devices connected to that receptacle. There are several benefits to using receptacle type AFCIs. Firstly, their compact design makes them easily installed in existing electrical systems. Secondly, they do not require additional panel space, unlike circuit breaker type AFCIs. Thirdly, the installation of receptacle type AFCIs involves less wiring compared to circuit breaker type AFCIs. Fourthly, receptacle type AFCIs offer flexibility because they can be installed anywhere a standard receptacle is suitable. Fifthly, receptacle type AFCIs are generally more cost-effective than their circuit breaker counterparts. Numerous manufacturers have developed receptacle type AFCI devices, and they are currently available for purchase. It is crucial that all receptacle type AFCI devices are UL listed to guarantee they comply with the requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code. In summary, receptacle type AFCI devices are a cost-effective and convenient method for adhering to the AFCI stipulations within the 2008 National Electrical Code. These devices offer ease of installation while delivering the same degree of protection as circuit breaker type AFCIs. The information to consider is that the 2008 National Electrical Code, Article 210.12b, requires arc fault circuit interrupters for 15 ampere and 20 ampere, 120 volts branch circuits in dwelling units. Receptacle type AFCIs serve as an alternative to circuit breaker type AFCIs, providing protection to downstream devices. Advantages include a compact design for easy installation, no need for additional panel space, reduced wiring requirements, flexible installation locations, and cost-effectiveness. Manufacturers offer UL-listed receptacle type AFCIs, ensuring compliance with the National Electrical Code. These devices provide a convenient and cost-effective way to meet AFCI requirements while maintaining a similar level of protection as circuit breaker type AFCIs.